Ever feel like you understand almost everything in English, like movies, TV shows, maybe even jokes? But when it's time to speak, the words just won't come out? You're not alone. Today, let's break down the reasons why this happens and how to fix it. Welcome to our lesson on why you can understand English but struggle to speak it. In the next few minutes, we'll cover the common reasons behind the comprehension, a shadowing exercise to boost your speaking skills, and practical tips for building confidence and fluency. Let's first go over receptive versus productive skills. In language learning, listening and reading are receptive skills. You're taking in information. Speaking and writing are productive skills. You're creating messages. It's common to develop strong receptive skills but weaker productive ones, especially if you're not practicing output. Another big reason people hesitate to speak is because they're afraid of making mistakes or sounding silly. This fear can create a mental block, stopping you from even trying. It's important to remember that making mistakes is part of learning, and it's okay to speak imperfectly at first. Communication is the goal in the end. And the more you practice speaking, the more confident you'll become. Even if you consume English content daily, it doesn't guarantee speaking practice. The brain needs active output, like speaking or writing, to convert passive knowledge into active skills. Here are some tips to increase your speaking practice. You can do a language exchange. Find a partner or an English-speaking group to practice short conversations. Try recording yourself. Use your phone or computer to record short voice notes. Play them back to spot areas for improvement. And try talking to yourself by narrating your daily activities or thoughts in English. Another great tool to help you practice your speaking is shadowing. Shadowing helps bridge the gap between understanding and speaking by forcing you to articulate words in real time. Here's a quick exercise you can do daily. Pick a short audio clip in English. It could be a podcast, TV show snippet, or a YouTube video. Listen once just for meaning, then replay and shadow by speaking along with the audio, mimicking intonation and pace, and then record yourself if possible, and then compare to the original clip. Let's try a brief shadowing exercise now with a short monologue. First, just listen, and then we'll shadow it together. Learning to speak English is like training for a marathon. You can watch races or study techniques, but to improve, you must run. You must speak even if it feels awkward at first. Now I'll break it down line by line. Repeat after me. Learning to speak English is like training for a marathon. You can watch races or study techniques, but to improve, you must run. You must speak, even if it feels awkward at first. Let's take a moment to evaluate. Ask yourself, am I regularly speaking or outputting English in my daily life? Do I allow fear of mistakes to stop me from trying? And can I push past perfectionism and focus on clear communication? If you're not speaking much, challenge yourself to find more active opportunities to use English, whether it's with a friend, tutor, or talking to yourself. Let's do one final challenge, a short pep talk about speaking English. First, just listen, then we'll go line by line. Remember, understanding isn't enough. You need to speak up, make mistakes, and learn by doing. Commit to daily practice, even if it's just a few minutes. Over time, you'll see your confidence and fluency soar. Now let's shadow it together. Focus on sounding encouraging, as if you're motivating yourself. Remember, understanding isn't enough. You need to speak up, make mistakes, and learn by doing. Commit to daily practice, even if it's just a few minutes. Over time, you'll see your confidence and fluency soar. Awesome job today. We've explored why listening is easier than speaking, how fear of mistakes and lack of practice create a speaking gap, and shadowing in daily conversations as the solution. Here's a quick homework assignment to practice those speaking skills. Record a 1-minute audio or video talking about your day entirely in English. Listen back, spot any words or phrases that felt awkward, and repeat the exercise tomorrow. See if you improve. Until next time, keep practicing those speaking skills and don't let fear hold you back. I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, share it with your friends and family who are also learning English, and comment down below what you've been struggling with the most in your English learning journey. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on new lessons.